Have you been seeing ads for Lumvelle Drops claiming they can remove hidden parasites, detox your gut, boost energy, improve digestion, clear brain fog, and completely transform your health? Before spending your money, it's important to take a closer look at what these claims are actually based on. Lumvelle Wormwood Herbal Drops are marketed as a natural parasite cleanse. But there is currently no high-quality clinical evidence showing that this specific product can eliminate parasites or deliver all of the advertised health benefits. Many of the symptoms mentioned in the promotions, such as fatigue, digestive discomfort, bloating, and brain fog, can have many different medical causes, so blaming them on hidden parasites without proper testing can be misleading. Another point worth considering is the heavy reliance on customer testimonials instead of published scientific research. Some reviews and promotional images have been questioned online for appearing repetitive or potentially AI-generated, making it difficult to verify their authenticity. Despite marketing claims suggesting widespread customer satisfaction, some buyers have reported concerns about recurring subscription charges, cancellation difficulties, and unexpected billing after purchase. There are also reports of countdown timers, limited-time discounts, and urgency tactics that are commonly used in aggressive online marketing, even though such offers may regularly appear. This does not automatically mean Lumvelle Drops are a scam, but it does suggest that consumers should evaluate the product carefully before placing an order. If you are experiencing digestive issues or suspect a parasite infection, proper medical testing and advice from a qualified healthcare professional remain the most reliable approach instead of relying solely on supplements with broad marketing claims. The best decision is to look beyond the advertisements, verify the available evidence, read genuine customer experiences from multiple sources, and understand all billing terms before buying. After considering the available information, Lumvelle Drops appear to deserve cautious evaluation rather than blind trust or immediate dismissal.